Yeah, liquid nitrogen, blah blah blah, 320 degrees below zero. Blah, blah,
You've done this demo a few times.
Don't go in an elevator.
Yes. Don't get it on your clothes.
Why
Why can you not go in an elevator?
Blah, blah, blah.
Because
you'll suffocate.
the nitrogen will displace all of the oxygen in the.
Oh, because it's just a small closed space.
If it spills, not
Yeah,
like.
the atmosphere is like 80-some% nitrogen. It's not poisonous. It's just that if you spill it and it displaces all the oxygen, then there's nothing fun to breathe. So when I put in this bowl, most of it's boiling away. Well, the bowl.
The bowl's
chills
really
down.
hot then for the liquid nitrogen.
It is. So I'm just gonna wait for it to calm down a little bit.
It's interesting how it forms a surface on the top of the bowl.
That should be enough to play with. This is melted strawberry ice cream. So basically, when you drop this stuff in here, it just instantly freezes, and that's how you get Dippin' Dots.
Oh, it's starting to stick together.
If I had a few more, squeeze bottles, I'd make a couple different flavors, but I'm just gonna make it easy here. So you don't want to eat this right away because if it's very, very cold, it'll freeze your tongue. But we want to eat it because it's hot out here, so I can see it's already starting to melt. So if anybody wants to try some, grab a spoon and
Yeah, sure.
ordinary Dunkin' Betty Crocker super moist cake mix. Goes in here. Slowly. Mix goes down the hole.
It's a nice funnel you got there.
It is. I bought it because I had trouble getting cake mix into here. Okay, so I'm sure you kids are familiar with these. So, cake mix into the whipped cream siphon. Charge it up with nitrous oxide. Shake it.
Shake
Very
it.
important, as you do.
Use for this.
I got them exactly where I need them. Thank you. This is it's a bit thicker than whipped cream, so I'll give it a really good shake. That sadly is empty.
And why do we use nitrous oxide as opposed to like
Nitrous
CO2 or
oxide.
something?
We use nitrous oxide for making foams and such because it's fat soluble. And it has no off flavor. Carbon dioxide actually is sour.
It looks slightly acidic.
So there. Okay. I feel like I shook that enough. Some people would put 3 in there, but it's rated for 2. The idea behind this one, which I'm calling instant strawberry shortcake, is spray this cup a little to make it come out easier. Put some vent holes in the bottom. Try not to screw myself.
No.
Put the vent holes lower, if I know what I'm doing. Okay, so what happens to cake when you put it in a whipped cream siphon? 2 charges of nitrous oxide. Let's see. It should do this. Yes. So the cake squirts out as a foam. So I'm going to squirt about an inch of cake foam in there and immediately pop it in the microwave for 38 seconds.
38.
That's what I-
38
Did you
very
do?
specific.
Did you do the math with the wattage and everything? And
Somewhere around 30 seconds. This is one of those things where you test it and you refine as you get some
you test it on your guests.
practice. Test it on your guests.
Who's first?
What are the holes for?
To let the steam out.
Okay.
They may or may not be necessary.
Oh, my stomach!
That one's gonna have shirt in
We
it.
could try.
Want me to pick it out?
So we could try one without the holes and see what happens.
Who's gonna clean the microwave after that?
So as you can see, it expanded quite a bit. So we'll put that upside down and let that cool for a few seconds.
See if it falls out.
Peter, it looks like great stuff.
It does a little bit.
What's that?
The foaming insulation.
I would imagine it tastes better though.
Hopefully it tastes better than foaming insulation. So I don't know, we'll try 30 seconds and see what happens. And anyway, sort of just keep repeating the process.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so
Kind of looks like a pancake. Which begs the
You
next
really
question.
need to make better pancakes.
yeah, I thought, oops, I should have put the whipped cream on first. The problem with using your whipped cream siphon for the cake
You can't use it for whipped cream, I
I
guess.
have to use Ready Whip now. That's no fair. There. Oh, sorry guys. This will be the ugly one for the chef who's going too
I'll eat
fast.
that.
For the birthday boy?
You put it over your head, yeah.
I bet that bag would make an excellent hat.
Jenny, you a torch.
Is that a chef's jacket?
It looks like a chef's jacket.
Mmm.
Wow.
Ooh.
Swanky.
Yeah. In case they ever ask. Me a cookbook from the chef Fesau.
Hint, hint.
Interesting. Grilling. Oh, there's lesson 15. Grilling. Oh, thank you. It's a
Keyboard.
hot gun.
Yeah, you look through it and then you press the. It's kind of like a mouse.
Fancy one.
Yeah.
Gracious.
Sensing a trend here with musical instruments. Are you starting a one-man band?
You haven't seen the
Yeah,
episode.
it comes with the extension tube, so you can wear it wherever you like.
I'm just not going to say anymore.